I have a lot of
He's
moving
so
skills,
bossy.
a lot of truck skills, a lot of packing skills.
Our move-in story is we are hiring movers next time. That is our move-in story. My name is Leah Ring. I am an interior designer and furniture designer, and I run the studio Another Human.
My name is Adam Boer, and I'm a painter living in Los Angeles.
Since Adam moved in here and we redesigned the space, it really feels a lot more like a home. In no small part because Adam is here and we're building a life together, but we've made sure to make the space really comfortable, really warm, really inviting.
So I moved in here in May, kind of early lockdown in Los Angeles. It's been really a blessing for me because it's the first time in many years that I've had a space where I'm not working inside of. So this is a kind of respite for me and I can just relax here and it feels like home.
Adam and I have very different aesthetics. I lived in this apartment for many years prior. It was very much me. So it was important to me that we create a space that felt like ours together. We both like streamlined modern. So that was sort of the inspiration for the palette of the place.
I think if I brought anything to the apartment, it's the art collection that I'd been amassing for my friends for the last like 10 years.
It's the first time I've lived with real adult art and it makes our apartment feel like a million times nicer. So in the nook, we have this beautiful record player that was Adam's parents from the 70s. It's like a record listening area. I really push hard for the floor cushions. Sometimes we play games if I can coerce Adam into playing games.
Midwest woman.
I'm a Midwest woman, I love games.
My favorite is the silly metal chair. Even though it looks ridiculous, it actually is very ergonomic, very good to read in.
The man who said he didn't want shiny loves the shiny chair. The TV console in the living room, as well as those small triangular tables, were from an online secondhand shop. Adam picked the triangle tables. It's like basically the only thing he picked, and he's very proud of it. The big piece of Adam's that is in the living room was a specific request of mine. I'd seen that before I even met him. I was struck by that piece. I thought it was really wonderful.
I really like the office that you designed for us. It's kind of fun to have these tandem desks, these twin desks.
I find working side by side has been really wonderful for us because we really do lean on each other creatively a lot. Squarespace is perfect for artists. It's like super intuitive. It has allowed me to have a really professional looking site that looks beautiful, but that I can update and edit whenever I need to. We painted the bedroom like a bright magenta. It's such an amazing color to wake up to every day. I know a lot of people like their spaces to be super calm. Like I am very energized by color. It's nice to spend time here. Spend so much time here.
So much time.
Yeah, it's been wonderful.